All right, this video I'm going to introduce you quick to the SuperHero programming project. And basically the idea is there's no class for superheroes in Java, at least that I know of. So we are going to make our own superhero class, right? Which is kind of like making our own variable. Remember, we have ints and strings and doubles and stuff, but maybe we want to have a variable that tracks a superhero. Maybe we're making a video game that has superheroes in it or whatever. So we are going to make our own class. The directions are found here, all right, along with eventually I'll put in a help video. So if you get stuck in your programming, you can look at that help video. But I'm going to load up the directions here just to give you a picture of what this looks like. All right, so you're going to have to do two parts. One is to do a class that is the superhero, like defines what data and methods we want to have for our superhero. Remember, it won't have any specific data, but it's just like what do we want the superhero, what do we want to track for them. Okay, so it kind of gives you a description here of the instance variables, the constructors, and then like get and set methods. Right, so that's kind of the first part. And then after that, you are going to make a second .java file called creating heroes or something like that. And then you're going to make some actual superhero objects. So you could make like Batman or Superman or Wonder Woman, Green Lantern, whatever you want to do, right? And then practice calling like the get and set commands using the method you created in part one. So you'll have two files, superhero.java and then one called like creating heroes.java. Okay, so here's just another picture of it. Is our class will be called superhero.java, and then we'll have another file like called creating heroes or something. So you make another one called like creating heroes.java or something like that. And then you're going to create the heroes in here using that new keyword and actually make the new, oops, this should have a space right there, but you're actually going to make them something along these lines. Okay, so remember you have one class, one blueprint, and then you have multiple objects or instances of the superhero class, right? Representing again specific heroes. And that's pretty much it. So remember, follow these directions. Hopefully they'll give you kind of clear, straightforward, step-by-step way to do this. And then I'll make a help video in case you get stuck. And with the help video, I would always encourage you to watch just the parts that you need, right? Try as much as you can on your own and use that video just to get you unstuck. All right, good luck. Oh, when you're done, I should have said that. When you're done, you can either turn in your results in Google Drive or you could upload them here. I'd rather have you do Google Drive, but if you want to upload them here on Schoology, that would be okay too. Thanks for watching.